Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. I really wasn't planning on doing a video today. That's why I look like I look. And I still have my glasses on, so you will see the ring in my glasses just a little bit. But today I wanted to share a couple of products that were actually sent to me from a subscriber. And I have to tell you right up front, I am kind of blown away by them. So I wanted to share them with you. And I believe she is in Texas. So some of my subscribers from Texas, you may be very familiar with her business. I don't know how new the business is. All I know is these products she makes handmade. So I thought I would share them with you. Now I have used them a couple of times and I am truly blown away by them, and I think that I have a prediction that if she gets recognized by the right people, this business could really go someplace. I truly believe that. But for now, she has an Etsy store, which I will share with you below. Okay, so for those of you who have been following me for a very long time, you know I have incredibly dry skin. So you know that I'm always searching for products to just ease up the dryness a little bit. And I think I have gone through so many products, some that worked okay, some that did absolutely nothing. I tried drugstore, mid-row, high-end. It does not matter, homemade. And I just wait for that product that comes that really gives me comfortable skin to live in. And even when I go to the dermatologist, she says to me, "Oh my goodness, you are probably one of the driest people I have ever had come into my office." She goes, "You're not the driest, but you surely are close." So that just lets you know how dry I am. And I think it is a genetic thing because my mom had really dry skin. So anyway, let's get to talking about these products. I actually have some products that were sent to me from a subscriber, and then someone else who asked me if she could send me some of her t-shirts. Neither one of these companies is paying me. This was just because they are women-owned companies, and I love to support new companies starting out, and even more so, women. Okay, so this one here, she sent me three three body products that you use in the shower. I guess you could use them in the bath, but it might be a little difficult, okay? But anyway, the company is called Bay Harbor Beauty, and it's a natural skincare company. And like I said, she has an Etsy store, which I will link below for you. And remember, this is not a sponsored video. No money is being made on this video. It's simply, these products are really, really special because I get sent things that never make it into videos. And anyway, so this is Bay Harbor Beauty, and she sent me a little note, and I'll just read a little bit of it so that you have an idea where she's coming from. And it says, "Thank you for entrusting me with providing healthy and natural skincare products for you and your loved ones. I hope you enjoy the products and their multiple benefits for your skin. Our goal at Bay Harbor Beauty is to create skincare using natural yet effective ingredients. I don't believe in putting an ingredient on a label just for looks. If the ingredient is in the product, there is enough of it in there to work. What's the point in adding 1% of something if it won't do anything for you?" And she says, "Right now I am selling 3 different scrubs that all come in several different scents. Rosemary mint, which is my favorite, citrus mimosa, yummy, and vanilla sugar." And I must admit, I normally do not like vanilla sugar. Anything smells like a cookie or baked goods, I don't like in body products, but this one is so subtle that is actually very pretty. And then she also has an unscented and a cashmere glow, which I did not have the privilege of smelling. She says, "These scrubs are great for smoothing and moisturizing your body, yet sensitive enough for your face, and no, they won't cause breakouts." There is a foaming scrub, a body polish, and emulsified scrub. In addition to these scrubs, I have also created an all-natural dog shampoo bar. Who doesn't love it when their furry friends smell and look amazing? This shampoo bar also comes in the above scents and contains shea butter, goat milk, and oat protein. And it says, then she goes on to tell me a little bit about each of the scrubs. And she said, "We started with the foaming scrub, moved on to the body polish, and finished with the emulsified scrub. You can use however you desire, together or separately. I truly hope these help your skin. So much time and effort was put into developing these scrubs. I laugh when I say this, but your feet were always on my mind when I developed the body polish. My friends and family have found such great benefits from these scrubs, and I hope you do too. Thank you again for trying my products. Julie Rosati. Okay, so I got in the shower. Well, first, I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. So actually, these were sent to me a while ago. We were in Florida, and my post office box I don't go to on a regular basis, so I ended up going. So I've had them for a little over a couple of weeks now. And but she probably sent them to me a little longer than that. Okay, so first of all, I have written on the top, so when I'm in the shower, I know what I'm using. So the first one I tried, I decided before I went to bed one night, I said, oh, I'm just going to try this on my hands to see, you know, if the smell bothers me, because I'm very sensitive to smells. And so I went and I just used it on my hands. And this is the Fruit Enzyme Body Polish in Rosemary Mint. Okay, so let me tell you first that this Rosemary Mint is beyond gorgeous. It is so, oh, I just love, love, love the smell of it. Now, I can't really tip this bottle, but it's just a white, creamy substance in the jar. And it is the Fruit Enzyme Body Polish. And it simply says to apply to wet skin, rub until lotion forms, rinse after 1 to 2 minutes. So I just, you know, I didn't tell Lou anything about these. I really didn't. So I used it in the bathroom. I washed my hands and everything. So I walked into the bedroom and I said to Lou, one of my subscribers contacted me and wanted to send me some of her products. I said, I just used one of her products. I said, first of all, it smells fabulous. I said, feel my hands. So he feels my hand. He goes, you think it could work any magic on your feet? That Louie. He's always the jokester. Okay, so then I said, well, you know, I'm really going to give these all a try. So I have tried each one of these, and I have to tell you, they are, I can't even believe they're homemade. They are so luxurious and they leave my skin feeling so soft. They're very different from anything I've ever used. When you do put them on you, they do have a creamy lather without having any harsh ingredients in them. They have a very creamy lather, and you all know, if you've been paying attention, fruit enzymes, they kind of exfoliate all on their own, and they do it in a chemical way versus a manual way. It's just a soft, textured cream, and it smells fabulous. And you take your wet skin and you just lather yourself up and you just leave it on there for a minute or two, like she says, and it's just amazing. It rinses clean, but yet you're left with this very soft, luxurious feeling skin. So I absolutely adore the Fruit Enzyme, and it's just, I'm telling you, the smell, it's so beautiful. It almost reminds me of, like, the rosemary is very, very subtle, almost hidden in the background. And the mint, I would guess that it's spearmint, because it reminds me of Wrigley's chewing gum with just a hint of the rosemary. Just beautiful, my friends, and really nothing harsh about it. A sensitive skin person who doesn't have any problems with any kind of essential oils. Let me see what's in here. Shea butter, rice bran oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, bilberry extract, sugarcane extract, orange extract, lemon extract, urea, and urea helps to break down dead skin. So she did add urea into these products. Coconut fruit, glycerol, sambucus, niagara fruit extract. There is a fragrance in here, willow bark extract, allantoin, and fragrance oil. So, you know, if you're ultra sensitive to any kind of essential oils, may not be for you, but ooh, very, very wonderful. So the next one I'm going to talk about that I tried is the Citrus Mimosa Scent, and it's the jojoba bead honey foaming soap. And this one here, you apply to wet skin and rinse after 1 to 2 minutes. It is gorgeous, my friends. Absolutely gorgeous. Just love it. This one is pink, and again, just a creamy texture. And this one just has the finest little grains, probably the jojoba beads in there. And jojoba oil is such a good oil for the skin because it mimics our own natural oils, but just so beautiful. I just lathered up with it. And like I said, just really, you feel just a hint of the jojoba beads in there. Beautiful, 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 my friends. I absolutely Love it. I will be ordering these when I'm out of these. These are fabulous. Fabulous. And remember, she does have unscented if you don't like scents. And then this one here is the Creme de la Creme Sugar Scrub. It's the Cashmere Glow. Oh, this one has the scent of Cashmere Glow. I'm sorry, I misunderstood. I just saw Creme de la Creme Sugar Scrub. Back up, my friends. Okay, this one is not. It does have a little bit of that sweet smell to it, though. So this is the Cashmere Glow. So I did get the Cashmere Glow. I guess I should have put my glasses on when I was taking my shower. Anyway, it's the Creme de la Creme Sugar Scrub in Cashmere Glow. And this one here is apply to wet skin. Rub until lotion forms. Rinse after 1 to 2 minutes. Now this one here, again, just a soft cream. And this one does have grains in it, but they're just so gentle. You can feel it. I mean, it's nothing that you would compare to like walnut shells or anything like that. Just beautiful, all of them. But I do prefer the rosemary mint, the citrus mimosa, and then the Cashmere Glow. But I will also say that when you get out of the shower, you don't really smell like this. It's just like you have a light layer on your skin of the scent, but not anything that somebody would pick up underneath your fragrance or anything like that if you chose to wear a perfume over these. But anyway, I am so impressed, and thank you so much, Julie, for contacting me. I didn't really expect to be blown away like I am with these. I wish you all the best with this business, and really, I do think that if you could get this in the hands of somebody in Hollywood that says they love it and it lands in a magazine, you're going to hit a home run, because these are really, really, really nice. And then she also did send for my girls, and I haven't tried these yet, but they are the Natural Dog Shampoo, and this is in vanilla sugar, and they're so darn cute. They're just shaped like a bone. And again, very subtle in the vanilla, because I don't normally care for vanilla scented things. But very subtle, nothing that's going to upset you. And this has oatmeal soap, castor oil, vitamin E, lanolin, and Pooch Smooch fragrance. All right, so that is from Bay Harbor Beauty. I will link her Etsy channel below so you can go and shop to your heart's content. So now I just want to share with you these t-shirts that were sent to me. They contacted me and they said, would you like to try some of our t-shirts? They didn't tell me I had to do a video or anything like that, but when I got the t-shirts, and I'm not a t-shirt wearer, but when I work out, I love to have t-shirts over my tank top or something. I'm just more comfortable that way. But I do wear, I shouldn't say I'm not a t-shirt person, because I actually wear a ton of t-shirts, but I don't wear graphics on a lot of my t-shirts. But these are rather feminine looking. They really are. They're very, very good quality t-shirts, and they are from Thread Tanks. It says Stories You Can Wear by Thread Tanks out of Los Angeles, California. And I got to pick out the t-shirts I wanted and the saying on it. So I went with this one first, which is an olive green, and it's just they're very nice quality. They're not cheap feeling t-shirts. Very nice. I did get the large in all of them because I just didn't know how they would run. And I think for me, the large is going to be perfect because I'm broad-shouldered. So the large will fit me perfect. So if you feel you're the same size as me, I wear medium in most shirts. Sometimes I have to wear a large. And I wear about an size 8 jeans. So that will give you an idea of the size I am. So the first one I'll show you is just a plain green t-shirt, and just the back is plain, but the front says grateful, and I just loved it because I thought I am very grateful. I'm grateful for my life. I'm grateful for my family. I'm so grateful for Lou and my girls, my puppy girls, and I am so grateful for my YouTube friends and family. And that's what I call you. You are my family. You are my friends. And I just thought this was beautiful. And I don't have a t-shirt in this color green. And this color green is a color I can wear. So the Grateful t-shirt is really, really cute. And then this one here is more like this one goes more the sweatshirt route, but it's the unfinished collar, and it kind of would drape off the shoulders if you like it that way. And it does have long sleeves, but I absolutely loved the front of it. And it's just a heart. And I thought it was so beautiful. I mean, you could wear this with white jeans. You know, and that it would just, this would even pop even more with just a pair of white skinny jeans. Just beautiful. And it has long sleeves. It's a lightweight sweatshirt. It's not a really heavy one. And like I said, the collar is unfinished. And then it does have cuff sleeves and it has a cuffed bottom, but this is not tight. It's loose enough. So it would go nice over workout clothes also. I just thought it was so, so pretty with that big heart. Absolutely loved it. And then the next one is a gray one, and the front of this one says, keep talking, I'm diagnosing you. I just thought that was so funny. Now this is a different style t-shirt. This is more of a blocky, wider, with more like a dolman sleeve to it. It's not cut like the green one. So I picked a different style of t-shirt on all of them. So this one's just gray with keep talking, I'm diagnosing you. I just thought that was great because, you know, some people just love to talk to you and talk. They never ask you anything about yourself. They just talk. So you just sit there and you diagnose them and say, what is wrong with this person that all they do is talk about themselves? So now I have a shirt for them to read. Anyway, just really, really nice. And it says, stories are chapters we write about our life's journey, and memories are diaries that we carry with us. At Thread Tank, every shirt has a beginning and, most importantly, a great ending. How will your story go? The pen is in your hand. The rest is still unwritten. So I just really thought this was adorable. And like I said, totally different cut than the green one, even though it looks just like it's a regular t-shirt. And then the last one, I love it. It's like a rose tone color. And this one I do think is just like the green one. Let me just check and make sure. I think it is just like it. Yes, this one is just like the green one, but it's in a rose tone. And on the front, it says, and I think you'll all agree, crazy dog lady. Yep, that would be me. I can't wait to wear this when I'm walking my girls. Crazy dog lady. So I absolutely love these. They really are well made. They're not the chintzy, they're soft, they're not uncomfortable. I'm just on over my shirt so you can see how it fits. Okay, it's gonna lay a little better without another shirt under it, but if you're somebody that wants to wear a shirt under it, you can. And that's what it looks like. Crazy dog lady, that's me. All right, so thank you very, very much and I will list and link everything below for the t-shirts. Again, that is the Thread Tank Designs. Let me hold that up there for you so you can see the name of the company. And I will go ahead and hold up the Bay Harbor Beauty Creams so you can see that name also. So it's Bay Harbor Beauty. Just love it. I am truly impressed with those body scrubs. They are like a body scrub lotion. Really nice. And the t-shirts are just so cute. I'm sure if I do an exercise video, you will see me in these, or if I do something walking my dogs, or maybe I'll just wear them in a video, you'll see me in them. But I just think they're so cute. So go on over to the site and take a look. I will list and link everything below for you. I hope you all have a great Sunday. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're made aware of all my videos, and don't hold it against me what I look like today. And my lips, because I know everybody will ask what my lips are, because I don't really have any other makeup on. I have the Alcone, Lime Life Alcone makeup on. That's it. And I just used that little palette, and that's it. But my lipstick is by Christian Dior. It is 553 Ciliage, and I have it on with Laura Mercier Chestnut Liner. And that is it, my friends. So go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.